So Honda Fit head unit install. I got a Metra double din aftermarket stereo. It was really easy. It was a plug and play pretty much. So in order to install this stereo and remove it, I already plugged it in, so I'm just gonna kind of show you. You gotta pop this, and there's a lot of videos out there that shows you how to do this better than mine. But anyways, you gotta pop this. Yeah, it is this piece. There it is, it's popping. And then you gotta slide the circulation to the right, because that's the only way you're gonna be able to put it in. You'll be able to slide the socket in here. There's an opening. Yeah, it slides in here. It slides in one of these, but that's the most important part, is you gotta slide this to the right. And then under there, you're gonna see an 8mm bolt. It should slide right into it, but I removed mine already, so you're not gonna be able to see it. But the bolt was right there. The bolt was like right here. That big circle. Alright, it slides. The socket slides through here, and it goes all the way up where my finger is. Because with that recirculation closed, that pocket closes and you can't get that socket in there, so it stays open. And after that, pop this up. And you start prying it from here, so forth. It's kind of difficult doing this thing with just fucking one-handed. I just bought a camera, so look at better videos. So pops out the wiring diagram. So back to my reverse camera install. So the red one, the RCA red one, this is for the reverse camera that I previously installed. So it goes into head unit. See, this is the extra red wire. It connects to the reverse of the stereo head unit, and the other one just kind of connects into the jack itself, and that's about it. It's GPS here, and that's that. All right, let me know if you have any questions.